Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got more of my Amazon haul to show you. Now I'm only doing 2 in this video, so I still have, I think, five or six more to go, but I'm only going to do 2 in this one. Alright, so I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I appreciate all who has gone over to my Etsy shop, Just Minder Business, and has shown me some love by either favoriting my shop or buying something. And again, do not forget that on the first of every month, I always put on a sale. I never really know what kind of sale I'm going to do. It's whatever hits me. Might be 10% off, it might be 20% off, who knows. Alright, so all the links will be in my description box, along with all the links to all the canvases. Alright, so what I have here is 2 30 by 40s, and we will just start with this one. Alright, so I hope everybody's having a great day. It's hotter than Satan's breath here. So, yeah. Although I have to say it's not as hot today as it has been. So, this is a poured glue round 30 by 40 canvas. And it comes with a regular toolkit. Has 2 pins in it though, which is odd. Alright, so 2 pins, and one has got a multi-placer on it, a squishy, a green boat, and a plate of wax, and some baggies. Alright, so this is the one that I got. And I do apologize for any glare that is on the canvas, because I'm having to use my overhead light. So, this says, "Howdy, y'all," which I thought was right up my alley, being I sound like a country bumpkin over here. But this is, I think, very, very pretty. You have got all these cactuses and flowers. You've got a butterfly. And I thought it was very, very, very cute. All of this background is, you would think, color blocking, but nope. It's confetti, but it's very clear. If you can see, my phone is not wanting to focus, probably because I dropped it while ago. And I don't know how I did that, but yeah, very clear canvas. I think it looks really good. Alright. This has got 37 colors, y'all. 37. And it is everything. Numbers, letters, and also symbols. It has the DMC numbers on here. And the schematic is on the top left, bottom right. And there is a thumbnail. It will focus, and it's not gonna. Alright, so there's the item number and the size. Alright, it is very sticky, and it is sparkly. I can see some sparkle. I don't know if you can see, but the canvas does have like a sparkly something in it. Makes it sparkle. Alright, so the item number, canvas number is on the bags, and it corresponds with the canvas. So these can be put somewhere separate. And I'm not going to open the bag of the drills. Not when I do these. I don't have any issues opening drills when I'm doing just regular unboxings, doing one at a time. But when I'm doing multiples, I want to try to keep the videos under 15 minutes. But you can see the purples and greens, some blue. Bring that up just a little closer so that you can see all the colors in there. Very, very, very pretty. Yellows, some pinks and reds. Those greens. But yeah, I think this is very cute, y'all. And that was another reason I got it, because I always say y'all, and it says howdy, y'all. And that's just how I talk. So I gave $3.99 for this. Now, I don't know if this was an Amazon Prime Day deal. I don't remember. I don't think so, but I don't remember. But for $3.99, I could not pass that up. Because it's starting to get very hard to find these little diamond paintings for under $5. Alright, so there's that one. And I'm just going to actually put it over here on the side. And then this one. I really like this one too. And this one is also a 30 by 40. And it is a round poured glue. And it also, oh wow, oh okay. Well, let me go ahead and roll this sucker back. Now, I only gave, let me see, I gave $3.99 for this one also, y'all. And this is a true 30 by 40. And it is, as you can see, a great big gigantic sunflower with little sunflowers on the side and the sky clouds. There's the thumbnail of it. And there are 16 colors. And it has the DMC numbers. And this is 1 through 8. And then the alphabet. So, very sticky. And it is pretty clear, y'all. Now, this is going to be one of those canvases that's going to have just the right amount of confetti and color blocking. So, this should go quickly. But it looks really good, I think. I mean, very clear. Alright, so let's look at this toolkit because there's a bunch of stuff in here. Alright, so you get 2 pens. It has a pair of the metal tweezers that have that little L shape on it. There is... Alright, so there's 2 green boats. Then the tweezers. The 2 pins. Baggies. Well, and then it's got 2 squishies. I like these kits. They just add just a little bit extra. Then you got a little long piece of wax. And then you've got 1, 2, 3 multi-placers, which looks like a 3-placer, maybe a 5, and either a 9 or a 10. So that's not bad. This is one of those kits, toolkits that I call a step up from the regular kit. So, it has the item number, canvas number, whatever you want to call it, on the bags of drills. And the drills look pretty good, y'all. But there's the colors. You got all your different shades of blue and greens, a little bit of black, whites, and then the yellows, oranges, browns. Yeah, very, 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 very pretty colors. This is going to be really cute. Really cute. And the reason I say that this is a true 30 by 40 is because this one is also a 30 by 40. So you can see the difference in the canvases. So let me get my measuring tape out. So this one, if you go from edge to edge, there's 30 by 40. So actually the canvas is a 25 by 35. Okay, the actual drill field. Hold on just a second. Okay, sorry, that was my daughter calling, checking in. Alright, so the drill field is a 25 by 35. Alright, so this one, if you just measure the drill field, it is just right at, well, it's 40 by 30. So that's the difference between these bigger 30 by 40s and these smaller ones that say they're a 30 by 40 is the drill field. But alright, y'all, so what do you think about these? I like them, I really do. And for $3.99 each, that's not bad at all, y'all. It's not bad at all. So this was another of my Amazon haul. So like I said, I've got about 5, 6, maybe 7 more to go. So y'all just hang on in there. We're almost done. So alright, y'all, I will catch all y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.